So, hello guys and welcome to this second tutorial in this tutorial series in how to make your own Android Studio application. So, in this tutorial I will show you how to run your Android Studio project on a real phone, on a real device, and I explain the device must be an Android based phone, so don't try to run on an iOS or Kali. So now we will go to my phone and we have to set up something in the phone. So you should see my screen on the phone. Okay, so I am in phone settings and I will search for a BIOS number, like right here, and you have to tap 7 times on the BIOS number. So I'm already a developer, but you have to do it. And now when it's done, you should search for uh, developer options here, right here, and enable the USB debugging. Okay, so now I will switch my desktops, and now you should plug your phone into your PC, and oh, and it will be done. Okay, so I'm back on my PC, and now plug your phone in with an USB cable. You should see my Huawei P30, and now check the transfer files on your phone, and now it's basically loaded in Huawei LE. So now you can run your application in this play button and run. Everything should work when successfully the Gradable running will be successful. Installing and then when it's installed you should see this screen we create in the first tutorial. So now when you go on your phone it will pop up, and yeah, it's done. This is everything for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. So subscribe and like this video, or subscribe my channel, and in the next tutorial I will show you the third basic of Android Studio developing, and that is removing an Android project from your PC. So stay excited and bye bye.